Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. I'm going to teach you different ways to say apologize. If you have done something wrong, you may say sorry, but here are different ways to say sorry or excuse me. I'm going to teach it as I have delivered my lecture, and this lecture was about ways to say apologize, and I have conducted live classes on it, but now I am going to teach you in this video, and in this video you will learn the different ways. So these different ways will help you to speak English correctly and to how to make a correct sentence. Here it is the chat of my student, and she has done her task successfully. So here are different ways to apologize. माफ़ी मांगने के तरीके. Sorry. Why we use the word sorry? What is the meaning of it? Means mastered. I'm so sorry for my mistake is the sentence for it. So what do you mean by pardon? Pardon कहते हैं माफ़ करें. My dear, I beg your pardon. I cannot understand it. कि मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, मुझे माफ़ करें कि मैं आपकी बात समझ नहीं सका या समझ नहीं सकी. So I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Your words are very vague. कि तुम जो बातें कर रहे हो ना, ये बहुत मुबहम है. I cannot understand it completely. So here in this lesson or in this video, I am teaching you different ways to say sorry, different ways to apologize. Next one is I am terribly sorry. Why you say I am terribly sorry? If you have done a loss or we have done a loss to someone, then we will say we are terribly sorry for your loss. मैं इंतहाई दुखी हूँ. Why we use I'm sorry? I'm sorry यानी अगे अक्सर आप डेली रूटीन में बोलते हैं ना. It is hard to see anything, or it is hard to see anyone, or I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. I'm sorry I stamped on your foot. I'm sorry, I must disapprove your decision. I must disapprove your action. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for what? So you have to make these sentences and you will comment on my post. Next one is I am really sorry. Why you say I am really sorry? What is the meaning of it? So I'm really sorry if I said anything wrong. जब आप किसी को कहते हैं कि मैं सही मायनों में आपसे दुखी हूँ या मैं सही मायनों में माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ, तो उसके लिए आप ये वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. तो इसका मतलब होता है मैं सही मायनों में दुखी हूँ. ठीक है, तो या सही मायनों में अपनी गलती जो की है इस पर शर्मिंदा हूँ. आई एम रियली सॉरी आई सेड एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. कि मैंने अगर कुछ गलत कह दिया तो मुझे माफ़ कर दें. सो इन टुडेज़ लेक्चर और इन टुडेज़ सीरीज़ you have learned about different ways to apologize. I have delivered the live lecture on it. मैंने इस पे लाइव क्लास दे दी है, और ये मैं आपको कुछ झलकियाँ दिखा देती हूँ जो मैंने अपनी बच्ची को लाइव क्लास दी है. ये आप देख सकते हैं. तो ये है चैट. मीन्स अगर आपने भी लाइव क्लासेस लेनी है, अगर आप भी चाह रहे हैं कि आप भी लाइव सेशन का हिस्सा बने, सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू contact me, and I have provided my contact number right here. You may contact me if there is any question or any query. You may ask in comment section. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.